simplify the expression. So when you are facing these things, some of the things you have to look out for on the easy ones is sometimes you just have to use your commutative property. So all I'm doing here is I'm going to flip those around, and I'm going to put 4 plus x instead of x plus 4 over 4 plus x. So now I can see that I have the exact same thing on the top and on the bottom. So this, something divided by itself, is 1. Over here, looking at this one, I'm going to again try the commutative property. So I'm going to pick up this a. Remember that the sign goes with the number after it. So it's negative a. And if no sign is written, it's assumed to be plus 3 over a minus 3. Doesn't quite work out, but there is another thing I can do. I can factor out a negative 1. So if I factor a negative 1 out of this, that's going to be changing my signs. So now what I have is a minus 3 times negative 1 over a minus 3. So the a minus 3 here is on both top and bottom, so that cancels out. And I'm left with just negative 1. Looking down here at the bottom one, I see the 5 on top, I see 15x plus 10. I see that both of these can be divided by 5, so that's what I'm going to do. So I have 5 over, factor the 5 out, 15 divided by 5 is 3, plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now I see that the 5 is on the top and the bottom, so that can be canceled out. Problem is, I don't have anything else left up on the top. So I need to figure out what can I put up here. Remember, any number can be multiplied by 1 and stay the same. So 5 times 1 would be 5. So I can stick that 1 in there. So my answer is 1 over 3x, forgot my x, plus 2. Always go back and check on the test. Make sure that you've remembered everything to carry it forward. Looking over there, I see the negative 2 here, I see the minus 2 there, and I'm going to factor that out. So I have negative 2 times, negative divide negative is positive, 2 divide 2 is 1, x, no x, I need the x. Negative divide negative is positive, 2 divide 2 is 1, y, no y, I need to keep the y. And then the bottom, nothing I can do to that, so I just bring it over. I see that I have x plus y on both the top and the bottom. That's the same thing there. So I cancel that out, and my answer is just that negative 2 that is left on the top of the fraction. And here, we don't need to put anything on the bottom of the fraction. We can leave it as that. Over here though, we do need that 1 right there.